how to cut your energetic cords. It's really simple, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. I've had a client that is asked to remind her how to cut your energetic cords. Well, first of all, let's talk about what is an energetic cord. Well, when we're in a situation or in a relationship, we get these little energetic strings or cords between one another. And they're not necessarily bad or good, but if it's a situation that you'd like to literally sever or get rid of, it's helpful to know how to cut your energetic cords. It's really simple, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. First of all, what are you going to get rid of it in? I like to use a green energetic fire. So I've built a little energetic fire. This is my imagination now. I'm not literally lighting a fire. I've colored it green because green is a great color for breaking up, or a frequency for breaking up stale energy. It's a cool fire, so it's not going to burn anything. It's nice if you can feel the energy, but not necessary. So if you want to see what it feels like, just activate your palm chakras. Get a little energy going, and just come together slow until you feel a gentle pushback. Like for me, it's like right there, okay? So basically I'm bonking into my own energy field. So that's what it's going to feel like. It's very subtle. It's very, very light kind of a feel. And don't worry if you don't feel it. It's not necessary to feel it. Your intention is to find these energetic connections that you want to get rid of. All right, so you've got your palm chakras energized. You take your left palm, face up, put it below your crotch. You're going to take your right hand, palm down, above your head. So you're basically like this. Now you don't want to come directly on top of yourself, because now you're feeling your own energy like you just did in that quick little demo. So you want to come offset. So what you're looking for are these cords. You got a bungee cord hooked on to this person. Let's say it's an ex that you'd really like to move forward on. So you got this energy cord between the two of you. So you're going to try to find them. So again, left hand palm up below your crotch, right hand palm down above your head. And you're just going to come together slowly, and you're just trying to feel that gentle pushback with the intention of finding these energetic cords. All right, so I'm feeling something right here. So I'm going to grab these cords. They're squishy, so you're going to grab them, squish them together. You're going to pull them away from your body. You're going to hold it with your left hand, let go with your right hand, make some energetic scissors, come close to your body. You got them all bundled up in your left hand now. So you kind of pull them taut. And I like to make noises. You know I like to make noises. Okay, so I've cut them, and I'm going to throw them in that green fire I created. Okay, and boop, they're gone. Now, did I get them all? I don't know. Let's check again. So coming back, just checking I get them all. If there's any left, grab them, pull them away from your body, hold them with your left hand, take your right hand, make scissors, cut them, and throw them in the green fire. Okay, there you go. Wipe off your hands, throw it in the green fire, and you've cut your cords. Now, some people say, oh my gosh, I don't want to cut my cords with my mom. I mean, I know we just had this argument, but gosh, I don't want to like disown my mom. Relax, pumpkin. You're not disowning anybody by cutting cords. Let's say that you've had an argument with your mom. You love your mom. She loves you, but you had like a little disagreement. One of the best ways to move forward is to cut the cords that argument created. So cut those cords, get rid of them. Believe me, you're always constantly refreshing your energetic cords. So you're not abandoning anyone. It's just cleaning out all of those old things. And if your intention is to move forward, then you can go ahead and get rid of those soul level ties and throw them either in the green fire. You can ask Mother Earth if she would take them. You can open up a hole in your ceiling, throw them to the far side of the moon. Whatever disposal method you would like to get rid of them, that would be fine. So I hope that helps. That's how you can create some real harmony in relationships, by cutting cords. You can do this with situations also. So let's say you got fired and you're like, ah, that feels really awful. So cut those old cords, get rid of them, and then you can more simply and energetically simply move on. Hope that helps. That's one of the easiest, simplest ways to take care of your energetic cords, things to get rid of. Oh, one more thing. never leave a fire burning, even in the energetic world. So even though it's a cool fire, it's not going to burn anything, I like to turn my fires off. I've imagined that it is a gas fire, and I have a timer on my fire, so if I forget, which I sometimes do, it just automatically shuts off after 5 minutes of not being used. So you can create whatever disposal unit works for you. Remember, this is just your imagination, your intention, and whatever works for you. I like a green fire, but maybe you like to throw it to the far side of the moon. Whatever works for you is great. Hope that helps. If you have any questions, you can PM me down below. If you haven't already liked the Rock Shop Facebook page, please take a moment and do that now. And of course, come on in to 311 Broadway, a historic downtown Paducah, because we would love to see you today. Have a great one, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.